Hi, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the FTC's investigation of OpenAI over ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. However, the chatbot has also been known to generate false information. For example, in one instance, ChatGPT was asked to write a news article about a fictional company. The chatbot generated an article that was full of false information, including the company's financial performance and its plans for expansion. The FTC's investigation is a sign of the rising regulatory scrutiny of artificial intelligence (AI) technology. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there is a growing concern that it could be used to generate false information that could harm consumers. OpenAI has said that it is committed to working with the FTC to address the risks of false information. The company has also said that it is working on ways to improve the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. The FTC's investigation is ongoing. It is unclear what the outcome of the investigation will be, but it is a sign that regulators are taking the risks of AI technology seriously. In addition to the FTC, other regulators around the world are also looking into the risks of AI technology. In the European Union, the European Commission is considering new rules that would require AI systems to be designed in a way that minimizes the risk of harm to consumers. The rising regulatory scrutiny of AI technology is a sign that the world is waking up to the potential risks of this powerful technology. As AI becomes more widely adopted, it is important that we put in place safeguards to protect consumers from harm. If you're interested in learning more about the FTC's investigation of OpenAI, or about the risks of AI technology, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.